Camera. Well, that is one of the best features of the all-new Samsung's Galaxy Note 9. And you have to agree with me that Note 9 can take some really cool photos. But you know what? If you explore the settings, you can make those photos even better. And well, in this video, I'm going to talk about the best camera tips and tricks that you must know as a Samsung Galaxy Note 9 user. So well, my name is Ashish, you're watching Guiding Tech. Let's get started. So the very first feature that you must check out is the variable aperture. Well, using the variable aperture, you can switch between the f1.5 and the f2.4 aperture when you are on the manual mode. Now let's say you're taking a night photo. The camera automatically selects the f1.5. But at times when you want to take that daylight photos with the natural bokeh, yes, there as well the f1.5 aperture can help you out, and to select that you must open the manual camera setting, and under aperture you have to select the f1.5 manually. Rest all the settings you can keep in auto mode, and that's about it. You can take some good images, and if it's a portrait you can have that awesome natural blur as well. The next cool feature and exclusive feature that you're only gonna get on the Note 9 till now is the option to control the camera using your S Pen. Now, the all-new S Pen is Bluetooth enabled, and guess what? That Bluetooth functionality also adds features like turn on the front camera, use it as a shutter button, and whatnot. And you know what? All these settings can be enabled using your camera option. You can do things like switch camera, record a video, or simply take a selfie. Yes, those are the things that you can do with the all-new S Pen click. Moving on to the third point, you get a new scene optimizer option in the Galaxy Note 9. And well, this point is not about enabling it, but disabling it, which is enabled by default. Now you must be wondering, why should I turn it off? Well, we are not the only ones talking about this. This scene optimizer is not up to the mark as of now. Now in the future updates, it might be fixed, but for now, it really creates textures of its own. And if you look at this image, all you can see is a cartoonish representation of what a mountain should look like. I know, and this is just one of the examples. So yes, if you're listening to me, better turn it off for some better photos. Do you have a friend who always blinks at the wrong moment when you're taking a cool photo? Well, we all have one of those friends, and at times when you're shooting an image, it might come blurry, and those are the times when you want to know that okay, this image is not I wanted it to be, and that's where the next option is gonna help you. So under setting, you'll find an option that says flaw detection, and once you enable it, the camera AI will automatically detect if somebody is blinking, if the photo is out of focus, and lets you know to take another photo. So using the Note 9's camera, you can take wide angle or portrait image, and there's a telephoto and a wide angle lens. And you know what? You can save both the photos. Yes, if you enable the named setting, both the photos will be saved in your gallery, and you can easily switch between them using the 3-dot menu. Now, Note 9 has a lot of memory, and you can also use an expandable memory card. So well, what's stopping you? So moving on to the next trick. There are times when we want to take photos of a perfect dive or a perfect somersault. And you know what? When you are taking photos one by one, it's very tough to capture the exact frame. You can take super slow motion videos using your Note 9 camera, which captures frame at fantabulous 960 frames per second. And once you take that video and go to the edit option, you can save any frame as a JPEG image. So yes, you can have 960 images per second. Whoa, think about that. Now let's move on to the next trick, and that is about the food mode. Well, food mode is my personal favorite because when I see a food, I just don't want to eat it but also post about it on Instagram. And the speciality of the food mode is that it creates a radial blur around the subject. And it's not only applicable there, but if you are taking macros and if you are taking a portrait mode where you want to use that blur all around the photos, you can actually explore this particular setting. The next trick is again about slow motion. Now, once you have taken a slow motion, there is so much that you can do with it. You can use that clip in reverse, add music, and really create some cool effects. So all you need to do is tap on edit once you have shot a slow motion video, and then configure the music and the style of the video as per your liking and save it. The videos which will then be created using these settings can be shared on Facebook, Instagram without any further issues. And now finally, let's talk about the last trick, which is motion photos. Now using motion photos, you can capture a few seconds of video in a photo. So let's say you are taking a photo, and once you tap on it, it's just like the live photos that we have on iPhone, and you can also use that to create GIFs. You can head over to the settings and just tap on the option that says enable motion photos. But one thing that you must keep in mind, that this feature, because it saves videos and photos, is gonna take some extra space on the storage of your Note 9. So well, those were the top tips and tricks related to the Samsung Galaxy Note 9's camera. Well, I'm sure you must have loved the video. If you liked it, please do press the thumbs up button. Please do subscribe to our channel Guiding Tech if you haven't already. And that's all in this video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Until then, take care and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.